Trading involves risk. Results are not guaranteed.
In this video we are going to run Pocket Option Auto Trader on desktop computer. So if you want this binary option robot yourself, you find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So now we are going to take a 5-second trade. We are going to use MACD together with RSI. We are going to do $1,000 bets, and I will set a target of, let's say, $3,000 on this video. Now let's see how we do. And just like that, 4 winners, 0 losses, 100% win rate, $3,680 profit. That is good in my book. So if you want this binary option robot for yourself, it's completely for free. You find link about video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Works both on mobile and desktop. There are 2 different versions. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, make sure you like this video, and if you have any question, put them below as a comment. So with that, have an amazing day.